Ahouse, Zhongshan Mechanical and Electrical Company Limited. Our representative office, service center, and factory are located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, China. After many years of development, the company is recognized as one of the industry's pioneers and has achieved certification of the CE, ISO 9001-2015 International Quality Standard approved. Ahouse specializes in producing home automation systems, such as sliding gate opener, solar wing gate opener, underground swing gate opener, accessories, interior swing door opener, solar retractable awning, automatic sliding door systems, automatic window actuator, louver as well as mold, precise alloy parts by our own engineering team. Ahouse is famous for its quality products, its good service, competitive pricing, efficient and energy-saving premium access, and door or window solutions. Ahouse advocate green and low-has life environmental protection, and user-friendly technology can better the experiences when you use Ahouse automation systems, all of which have led to our business expanding throughout the world. First quality and service. Ahouse Zhongshan Mechanical and Electrical Company Limited is dedicated to delivering quality products and services to all our clients and try to meet clients' needed and satisfied with all Ahouse user. We are looking forward to have a close cooperation and long-term relationship with you. OEM or ODM orders are welcomed.